Hi, so in this video I'm going to tell you how to customize Grammarly settings for specific writing styles and preferences on your phone. So first you need to just click on Grammarly application, then come to writing assistance. Now you have many options here. You can just go through every option one by one. I'm gonna go through every options one by one for you. So first is tune detection. You can just turn it on, then Grammarly will start detecting your tunes. For example, if your tone is happy or if your tone is sad, then it will detect automatically. Symbols, the words uh, Grammarly will start suggesting you symbols, icons for the words you are typing. Okay, automatically show symbols. This is the same thing. This will automatically show you symbol for the similar word, and you can select the word or the symbol. Okay, predict text. Predictive text, it will start predicting your next text. If you are writing something, it will try to predict next step. Okay, then we have suggest emojis, then we have suggest contacts. If you are writing anything on any name, it will suggest you contacts if you link your contact with the application. Then you have autocorrection for all language, auto space, and then you have backspace to undo auto correction. Okay, you have some basic options here. Auto capitalization, if you are writing everything on small, it will automatically capitalize the first letter of the line. Okay, then swipe to type, and then double tap space bar to add period. So you have these some option on the writing assistance. You can use these options as per your requirements.